Hello Ravencoin lovers, Raven Rebels here with a quick tip. How you can install the experimental Ravencoin web wallet called Rebel Wallet on a Windows PC. So let's get started. You open up the Edge browser on your Windows machine. You navigate to wallet.ravencoin.se, and there you click the little three dots, the menu, and you go to apps and you say install this web app as an application. Install, and it will ask you if you want to add it as to your activity field, and in the start menu and you say yes. And now let's close everything down, and now you have a nice, here in the activity field you see there is a nice Ravencoin logo, so I click that one. Now I will paste in my 12 words that are international words, so I will get a warning that it's not the common 12 words, but that's okay. And I sign in, so it's super fast. Here you go. Now I have it, my assets and my Raven. And you can switch to dark mode if you prefer dark mode, you can do that. So let's close it again. Now we're logged in, and let's open it from scratch. Bam, super fast. And now you can send and receive, and you can sweep, and you can see your history, and you can sign messages and stuff. So hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like or comment or share or subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.